In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix non-descriptive link text fast in Webflow. If your site has links like icon buttons, logo links, or short phrases such as read more, Webflow's audit tool may flag them as non-descriptive. That happens because the link doesn't give enough context to screen readers or assistive technology. The good news is that here is a very fast fix. And it won't force you to change the visible design of your page. Start by opening your Webflow project and going into the designer. Once you are in the project, locate the link that's causing the issue. This could be a link block, a text link, an icon-only link, a logo that links back to the homepage, or a button with vague text. The goal here is to give that link a clearer description behind the scenes, while keeping the visual layout clean. Now click directly on the link block or text link in your Webflow Designer canvas. Make sure you've selected the exact clickable element because the setting needs to be added to the link itself, not just to a parent container or surrounding section. With the link selected, move over to the right-hand panel and open Element Settings. You can click the Element Settings icon or simply press D on your keyboard as a shortcut. This is where you'll find extra options and attributes that help define how the element behaves. Next, scroll down until you see the Custom Attributes section. Click Add Attribute to create a new one. This is the key part of the fix. In the name field, type ARIA. Label exactly as written. Be careful with spelling because this attribute needs to be precise in order to work properly. Then, in the value field, enter a clear and descriptive label that explains the action or destination of the link. For example, instead of something vague like read more, write something specific like read full blog post about Webflow. That gives users of screen readers meaningful context and makes the link much more accessible. Once you've entered the value, simply click out of the field to save it. You don't need to do anything complicated after that. In most cases, the error in Webflow's built-in audit panel will disappear once the attribute has been applied correctly. This is the quickest way to fix non-descriptive link text when you want to preserve a minimal design but still improve accessibility. It's especially useful for icon links and short call-to-action links that don't explain themselves visually. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.